Hello, wonderful people. Today, I'm thrilled to share a powerful concept with you that can transform your life instantly, the law of focus. Now, what exactly is focus? Often we think of focus as merely concentrating on a task, like a project or studying. But what if I told you that focus is more than just a conscious effort? Focus is also about where your attention drifts unconsciously throughout the day. Think of your focus as a battery. You might not realize it, but you're constantly using up this battery on things like social media, movies, and TV shows, and by the time you need to focus on something important, that battery is drained. So, why is this important? Because attention is a universal currency. Where your attention goes, energy flows, and concentrated energy is incredibly powerful. The law of focus states that whatever you place your focus on will increase the probability of that reality being experienced. Let me give you an example. Imagine you wake up and your day starts off badly. You decide it's going to be a terrible day. Your mind locks into focusing on every negative aspect. You notice the loud chewing of someone next to you, the slow-moving traffic, the rain, everything seems awful. That's your focus directing your reality. Now flip the script. What if you focused on abundance instead of scarcity? Those who focus on the abundance of the world are more likely to encounter circumstances that reflect abundance. Conversely, if you focus on scarcity, you'll experience more scarcity. Your worldview and beliefs about the world require focus to be sustained. Your reality is an unfoldment of the contents of your subconscious mind. So what have you been focusing on? Not just consciously but unconsciously as well. It's all a game of focus. By recalibrating your focus, you can increase the likelihood of experiencing your dreams. Focus on the desired outcome as if it's already accomplished. While going through your day, brushing your teeth, walking around, whatever you're doing, focus on the end result of your desire being attained. It's already done. Don't worry about the limitations or how it's going to happen. That's not for you to stress over. Once your mind is locked into focus on a particular idea, the universe will guide you effortlessly to perform certain actions, tasks, and events. So, what are you going to focus on today? Remember, your focus determines your reality. Choose wisely. Thank you for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more life-changing content. Until next time, keep your focus sharp and your dreams within reach. Cheers.